It was a really great experience. I've never done anything like it before, but it was really great because it's an intensive time where you get to spend with an artist, and the group size is such that you have access to their feedback, to their input, to watching them do their work. So it was really a cool experience, just kind of following along and kind of repeating what they do. And yeah, it was great. I really didn't have a lot of expectations going into it because I'd never done anything like this before. So I really didn't know what it was going to be like going into it. So there's a lot more things to think about now. I mean, following one artist, you follow their process, how they do things. And so it was kind of neat getting another perspective. I didn't know anybody else in there, but already starting on day one, when we were sitting and sketching, I was surrounded by a group of people and we were all focused on the same task. And it was quiet, but it was a companionable. You know, the side trips that we had were an added bonus. It was just so much fun being able to explore a city I'd never been to before and to just get a real feel for everything it had to offer. So it was a really cool experience. I would love to do it again. Yeah.